everyone. I'm going to do some medical calculations on a real life patient that we just had, our cat Morgan, that was hospitalized in the cat clinic for hyperthyroidism and labored breathing. We're going to take her weight and doses of medications and figure those out. So first we're going to start with how to convert weight in pounds to kilograms. So to figure that out, we have to take our weight in pounds and divide by 2.2, and that gives us our weight in kilograms. So sometimes when I first started, I would remember I was supposed to divide something by 2.2, but I wasn't sure if it was the pounds or the kilograms. I couldn't remember which way to convert. So I'm going to challenge everyone to take your weight and divide by 2.2. That is your weight in kilograms. And then just try to remember that the kilogram number is always smaller. So that means you need to be dividing your weight in pounds by 2.2 to get that smaller number, which is the kilograms. So let's just say I'm 120 pounds. And I'm going to divide that by 2.2. That gives me 54.5 kilograms. So this weight in kilograms, you can see, is a little less than half of the weight in pounds. So that is how we do that conversion. Now in Morgan's case, she was 4.9 pounds. I'm going to divide that by 2.2, and that is 2.22 kilograms. That is her weight in kilograms, and that's what we will use to convert to calculate the rest of her drugs that she's going to get. So she is 2.22 kilograms. So to figure out how much she will get in medication, the amount of drug we give will be equal to her weight in kgs times the dose, which is something the doctor will give us, the dose of the medication, something like mg per kg, and we're going to divide that by the concentration of the drug. That is also a number we are given. Usually it's on the bottom, on the bottle. So let's take convenia, for example, which is the first problem we'll do. We will take her weight in kilograms, which is 2.22, times the dose. In the case of convenia, it's 8 milligrams per kilogram. And then I'm going to divide by the concentration of the drug, which is 80 milligrams per ml. Now, when I do that math, 2.2 times 8 is 17.8 divided by 80. And that will give us 0.22 mLs. Now that is the volume of convenia that we will give to Morgan. All right, let's do the next one. So lasix, the dose of lasix is 1 mg per kg, and the concentration is 50 milligrams per ml. So if I take her weight in kilograms, 2.22, times the dose, which is 1, so times 1. So I'm going to take 2.22 times 1, which is 2.22, divided by the concentration of the drug, divided by 50, and that gives me 0.04 mLs. Now we rounded that up. I think it's actually 0.045, so we rounded that up to 0.05 mLs, and that is the volume of lasix that we gave to her. All right, one more. She also got torb, which is 0.2 milligrams per kilogram. That's my dose. The concentration is 10 mgs per ml. So I'm going to take her weight, 2.22, times the dose, which is 0.2, divided by the concentration of the drug, which is 10. So 2.22 times 0.2, 0.44, divided by 10 is 0.04. That was just lucky that it came out to be the same amount of the lasix that we gave. But 0.04 mLs, that's the volume of torb that we gave to Morgan. Alrighty, that's our first math lesson. Hopefully you learned something. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks.